Let's be real for a second. Are you completely tired of constantly tracking utility due dates? Or worse, you know that feeling when you wake up in a cold sweat worrying about an unexpected late fee on your natural gas bill? Yeah, we've all been there. If you're managing your Atmos Energy account manually every single month, well, you're honestly working a lot harder than you need to. Today, we are looking at the ultimate set and forget solution. Welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to guide you through this material today. Think of this session as your comprehensive masterclass on streamlining those natural gas payments with Atmos Energy. Whether you're a complete beginner to managing utility bills or you're just looking to seriously optimize your personal finances, we've got you covered. All right, so here is our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Why choose Autopay? 2. Bank draft versus credit card. 3. Our step-by-step setup guide. 4. Managing Autopay and budgeting. And finally, 5. Some important disclaimers you absolutely need to hear. Okay, let's dive right into this. Section 1, why choose Autopay? The core benefits. It's honestly incredible how simple these benefits are, yet how profoundly they can protect your peace of mind and your credit score. By automating your Atmos Energy bill, you completely dodge those annoying, costly late fees, which directly helps you maintain a stellar payment history. Plus, it just saves you the time and hassle of logging in or, actually mailing a physical check every single month. Oh, and as a bonus, setting this up automatically enrolls you in paperless e-bills. That means decluttering your physical mailbox and keeping all your records neatly organized right there in your email. It basically transforms what used to be a tedious monthly chore into a highly reliable background system. Let's move on to Section 2, bank draft versus credit card, the crucial choice. Now listen up, because this is perhaps the single most critical decision you're going to make when setting up your automated payments today. The payment channel you actually select introduces some pretty stark operational differences. So if you link a checking or savings account for a bank draft, your transaction fee is $0, completely free. But if you decide to use a credit card, a debit card, or a digital wallet like PayPal or Apple Pay, you're looking at a 2.85% third-party fee applied to your payment. And the timing? That's different too. Bank drafts are pulled on the exact due date of your billing cycle. Cards, however, give you a slight buffer. They're charged exactly 5 days after the billing cycle closes, which can honestly be a lifesaver if you're trying to avoid issues with temporary credit limits. And this brings us to a massively important point, what I like to call the initial balance trap. Let's say you're in scenario A, the bank draft. Enrolling does not automatically clear any existing unpaid balances you have on your account right now. It literally only sets up the draft for your next billing cycle. So you still have to pay your current bill manually first. If you don't, you could face unexpected late fees or, even worse, a disconnection. Conversely, in scenario B with a credit card, the system works completely differently. It will automatically charge any existing unpaid balance to your newly linked card on the very evening you enroll. You definitely don't want to be caught off guard by a sudden huge charge or a missed payment, so you absolutely have to know which lane you're in here. So, now that we've made that choice, let's jump to Section 3, the step-by-step setup guide, getting started in the account center. Getting this set up is essentially a foolproof process, even if you are a complete beginner when it comes to navigating utility websites. First things first, head to the Atmos Energy website and create a digital profile using your name, email, and phone number. Easy enough, right? Step 2, you'll be asked for your social security number. Now, actually, quick heads up on this, it is technically optional, but omitting it might trigger the system to assess a service security deposit on your account, so just keep that in the back of your mind. Step 3, you will need to link your 10-digit Atmos Energy account number. And finally, Step 4, just navigate to payment options, select automatic payment plan, and agree to the terms. Now, you might be sitting there wondering, where on earth do I actually find that 10-digit account number for Step 3? Honestly, having a recent bill handy is the absolute easiest way. Take a look here. Notice that 10-digit account number highlighted right near the bottom, just next to the due date and the total amount due. All you do is copy that exact number directly into the online registration portal, and boom, your physical meter is linked to your digital profile. Oh, and Atmos also offers something called the Atmos mobile wallet, but let's clarify what that actually is, because it can be kind of confusing. It is a digital billing pass that you add directly to your native Apple Wallet or Google Pay application. It is not a standalone app that you download from the App Store. In fact, you've got to be careful here. Our sources show there are completely unrelated third-party apps on the Google Play Store with names like Atmos Mobile, which is actually meant for medical emergency calls, or the Atmos app, which is for pipeline monitoring. Please do not download those trying to pay your gas bill. Just use the secure digital pass integrated right into your phone's native wallet.
All right, let's transition over to Section 4, Managing Autopay and Budgeting. Pro tips for predictability. This is where we tie your new automated setup into your broader personal finance strategy.
So, automating your payment is fantastic, obviously. But we all know the reality. A cold snap hits in winter, and suddenly your natural gas bill spikes wildly. That brings us to a real game changer, budget billing. This is a program that calculates an average of your annual energy costs to give you equal, predictable monthly payments. By pairing budget billing with autopay, you're not just automating the transaction, you're literally smoothing out those painful winter spikes. It makes your monthly household expenses entirely predictable. One quick warning though, if you're late making a payment, your budget billing plan can actually be canceled by the system, which results in a sudden, immediate bill for any deferred charges. So keep an eye on that. And that little warning leads us perfectly into our final section, Section 5, Important Disclaimers, the fine print you need to know. Okay, let's get serious for a minute. Even with an automated system doing the heavy lifting, you absolutely must understand these vital rules. First up, if you ever decide you want to cancel your autopay plan, disenrollment takes one full billing cycle to process. It's not just an instant click and cancel situation. Second, if your automated payment fails, say your credit card expires or your bank account doesn't have the funds, and the bill goes unpaid, it triggers a termination notice and a 15-day grace period. Third, if your service actually gets disconnected, same-day reconnection is not guaranteed at all, and restoring that service requires paying all past due balances, plus some pretty hefty extra reconnection fees. Lastly, remember that Atmos Energy reserves the right to change the terms of the payment plan, provided they give you prior notice. I really want to draw your attention to this specific quote straight from the utility's terms. It says, "The utility is not responsible for failed email deliveries due to external issues such as spam filters. The customer must ensure their contact information is accurate." So what does this all mean? The absolute crucial takeaway here is this. Automation is an incredibly powerful tool, but it is definitely not an excuse to completely ignore your account. You still have to remain vigilant. You need to monitor your bank account to ensure those drafts are actually clearing, and you absolutely must keep your email address and phone number current in the Atmos Account Center. By understanding the crucial differences between bank drafts and credit cards, carefully navigating those setup steps, and utilizing smart tools like budget billing, you can make managing your natural gas payments an absolute breeze. Just remember to always double-check procedures directly with Atmos Energy, as these policies can and do evolve over time. Automation is meant to serve you, not replace your own financial vigilance. So take a look at your bills tonight. How much of your financial peace of mind are you leaving to chance, and what will you automate next? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer.